Hello students, today I am going to teach you history and the chapter is Nationalism in India. In this chapter we are going to discuss the topic Emergence of Gandhiji into Indian Politics, and the first point of the topic is Impact of First World War. First World War played an important role in India because it strengthened the national movement during war period, that was 1914 till 1918. This war also led an increase in defense expenditure. For this expenditure, British government had increased taxes. For example, custom duties raised. Some new taxes were also introduced like income tax. Price of all essential things, all essential commodities were just doubled during this war period. A new system also applied by the British, that was forced recruitment. According to this system, villagers were called upon to supply soldiers, and this created a widespread anger among people. Crops also failed in many parts of India. An epidemic also increased in India, that was influenza. During this situation, Gandhiji appeared into Indian politics. Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa in January 1915. In South Africa, Gandhiji successfully fought against racist rule of British government, and he became a very successful fighter there, and some power, some liberties were provided to the South African due to Gandhiji. So after returning to India, Gandhiji also applied his methods of fighting against British, that was truth and non-violence, collectively known as Satyagraha. When Gandhiji returned